Why Indiana, one night San Antone? I'd still be drinking, just not on my own. This busted heart, yeah, it hurts so bad I'd laugh just to keep from crying. Why Indiana on a clear sky day? Why not in Portland in the pouring rain? To hear your voice on the other end of the phone, say you're tired of trying. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Boys Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe. And if you have other requests, let me know. This was a song that was requested, and I say this all the time. I had never heard this song before it was requested, so I'm really happy it was, because now I know an awesome new song. So anyway, thank you so much for the request. Let me know if you have others, and let me know if you have questions in the comments. So the song only has 4 chords. There's a couple ways to strum it. It's a pretty dang easy song. So let's get into it. Standard tuning, no capo, as you can see. So the chords you're going to start with in the intro with no lyrics, you're going to do G. Okay, and you can do this G or this G. And then you're going to do E minor. All right, so the way that I would strum it is you could do the single strum. I think it's going to sound a little bit too, like it's not going to be full enough if you do that. Or you could even just do, so just downs. Down, 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 G. G, 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 E minor. And now, you can keep doing that when you start with the lyrics. Or, what I would actually recommend is palm muting it. And I put this, and I'm not saying this is exactly how Parker does it, but this is how I think it sounds really good, and this is one way to play it, okay? So, what you could do is then palm mute it, put this part of your hand as close as you can in front of that white part, okay? And just do, and hit the bass notes. So that's these ones up here. So you're gonna basically do E, A, maybe D. E minor, okay? So you're gonna do G on well. So after you're doing the intro, so we'll do the last part of the intro. Okay, and then you're gonna do E minor, and then G. And then when you start doing G, you're gonna do, well, it could have been Vegas or somewhere way out west. And out west is where you do E minor. Out west, somewhere where the world ain't beating back into my chest. And chest, you do C, okay? Chest from here and you, and then, oh, so you do somewhere where the world ain't beating into my chest. And then you're just gonna do C for a little bit. From hearing you say goodbye. So goodbye is where you do D. Goodbye. And then you go back to G. I would do this G more because you're gonna go from D to G. But you can do it, just do whatever's easy for you, okay? Especially for you guys that are like total beginners, that's what I would do. So you're gonna do, and then you go back to G. Could have been on could have been in Memphis. An old man singing my blues, and then blues you do E minor. My blues instead of way out here without a dang thing to do. And do is C, okay? So that's where you play C, and then remember you stay on this. I know it's over and you don't love me anymore. Anymore is D. Anymore. Now when you play the chorus, okay, so the chorus is going to be, I think it sounds better and it's easier. I don't know why, I just like it better. So you could keep doing this. You could do, why Indiana, when the San Antone. Okay, so you could just keep doing the same strumming. It's a little bit different. I like it better if you do alternating, so you're just doing down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Otherwise my hand gets tired if I'm just doing this the whole time, but it's, why Indiana, when not San Antone. Okay, so you're doing G, E minor, C, D. So you're doing G on Y. Why Indiana, when not San Antone. Then you do E minor after San Antone. I'd still be drinking, just not on my own. Then you do C after own. This busted heart, yeah, it hurts so bad I'd laugh. I laugh is D. Laugh just to keep from crying. after crying, you do G. Why Indiana on a clear sky day? And you do E minor on Y, just like after day. Why not in Portland in the pouring rain? And then after rain, you do C. Let's see. To hear your voice on the other end of the phone. Phone, you do D, alright? Phone. Say you're tired of trying. And then you're going to go to G, and you're going to do G, E minor. So then we're kind of doing the intro again, but we're just doing G, E minor once, and then going into the verses. So you're going to do, say you're tired of trying. E minor. And then I would go into that, okay? So then when you do the, after the second chorus, because the second verse is the same as the first one, the second chorus is the same. After the end of the second chorus, you're going to do, so you're so tired of trying, and you're just going to do G. Instead of E minor, you're going to do D. And then go into the next chorus. At the end of the song, you're just going to do G, sorry, so tired of trying, and then I would just end it on a G chord. Okay? That's what I would do. It's not a difficult song at all. You can see it's like 4 chords. They're pretty easy chords and everything, and strumming is super easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.